Video I'm going to explain the product deactivate product. So if a user click on this toggle button, the product will be deactivated and the name and this will change deactivated product. So inside here this is the process. So inside here we have the input field, and this input field we have given an ID p inside this PHP tag echo selected data ID, the product ID, selected data ID. The type is a checkbox, role is a switch. So inside this input field I have opened up another PHP tag. So inside this PHP tag I have created the if statement. If selected data status equal ID, if it is status equal ID, then give this check mark. Give this check mark, and in here I have used an on change event, and I have given a change status function. Inside this function it accepts a parameter. I give this selected data ID as the parameter. So every time we change this value, this on the change status will be invoked. So in here I have the label. So inside this label also I have PHP tag. If the selected data status ID equal to, then show the activate product. So like this. So now it is equal to activate, shows the activate product. Else, then show the deactivate product. So in here, it's inside this script.js, this is the change status function. Like I said, this function invokes every time the value change, when the value changes. So in here I give the selected data ID as a parameter. So I accept this inside this function, change status function. I get that parameter and I assign that status ID parameter to this product ID. Then I create a XLM HTTP request to send the GET request to the backend server and assign that this to the R variable. In here r.open, I'm going to give first the method how I'm going to send it. I'm going to send it as a get method, and I'm going to send it to this change status process.php file. I'm going to bind the URL. I'm going to do a URL binding. So p equals the product ID, and then I'm going to send this as asynchronous, and r.send will send the product. R.send will send the request to the backend server. In here r.onReady state change, I have created an anonymous function. So if r.status equal 200 and r.ready state equals 4 means this our request is successful, then r.response text, whatever the response text we get from the backend, assign it to this t variable. If t is equal deactivated, I will reload. If this t is equal deactivated or activated, I will reload this page. Else I will console. If we get an error, I will log it. In here, I will show it to you. So if I click, we can't see it, but the page gets reloaded. So we come to the change status process.php. So inside here I have both the connection.php file because I have to write search query and update queries. In here I get this p this URL binding the product ID and assign it to this product ID variable. So using this product ID, I am going to fetch the product and assign it to product result set. In here, inside this if statement, product rs number equals to 1 means this product exists. If not, we will send this error, something went wrong error. Inside this if statement, I am fetching the product. I am fetching the product data from the product result set and assign it to product data. Inside this product data, we have the status ID, and I am going to assign the status ID to the status. So if status equals 1 means this product is activated or this product is available. So in here, using this database IUD method, inside this IUD method, I am going to write a update query, update the products and set status ID equals to 2. That means activate this product where the ID is equal to product ID. So this will this will deactivate the product. So update product says status id equals to 2 means deactivate the product where the product id is equal to product id. Else if the status equals to 2 means this product is not available or deactivated. So to activate the product, update product set status id is equal to 1, that means it will activate the product where the id is equal to product id. And I will give the echo activated, and in here inside this r dot onReady status state change, I have given if statement if t is equal to deactivated or it is equal to activated, reload this page. So if it got deactivated or activated, reload this page, or if we get an error, log this error. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.